Holy futtocks end, what's going on? I thought this was a Great Eastern depot. Put on the table is Grizzly N2, which I built. What have we got here? Who said you couldn't build these? Hey? Who said you couldn't build the AC1? Just about busting my balls doing it, but this is an Ace kit. That doesn't fit on a turntable. Wonder why. It's pretty impressive, doesn't it? I wish it was in Great Northern livery. Don't look too closely at it though. And what else have we got here? Oh, look at that. Grizzly J6. 536 series. That one. There's 521s and 536s. That's a 536. Oh, look at this. One of my favourite engines of all times. Grizzly J50/3. Anyway. Sometimes I think I should sell some of these. It's probably the best job I've ever done, as far as lining was concerned. Just decided to do this end. Look at that. It's wet at the moment. But what I've done, I put Glad wrap underneath and around there, so that this won't stick to it, so I can still lift the shed off. How cunning is that? Oh, look at that. This looks like the type of place that Greta Thunberg would just love to go. All that soot and coal, she'd love it. I don't think so. This is just fine sand and plaster. I put it down wet, I put it down dry, sprinkled it on, misted it with water, and then put some 50/50 wood glue on top. At best, it's just an impression. I'll have to get some vegetation, a few weeds and God knows what else. I'm getting there. Just a bit of artwork, that's all it is. Make no mistake, it's art.